How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today, we are going to dyno our little 1979 Ghia coupe. You can definitely file this car in the Survivor category as it's only covered 9,266 miles. Now, as far as the technical data is concerned for the dyno, this is a naturally aspirated 2.3 liter four-cylinder car. Those engines have 9-to-1 compression, and they were rated at 88 horsepower and 118 foot-pounds of torque from the factory. I know, ground pounding, right? The transmission in this car is a C4, so it's a 3-speed automatic, and the pull is going to be made in third gear, which would be our 1-to-1 ratio. Out back, we have a 308 rear gear, a set of our 16-inch 5 Resto TRX style wheels, and we do have 93 octane fuel in the tank. Other than that, I'm gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're all good to go on our end, and then we're gonna make a hit. It's getting a little hazy in here. Are you rolling? All right. This thing's about to operating temp, so hopefully this little naturally aspirated four-cylinder turns the rollers. We're gonna see. Hey, it did it. I'm mashing the gas. All right, guys, y'all ready for some numbers? At first, I thought we were gonna have to get out and help push the dyno drum, but this little old four-cylinder, she turned it quite well, I guess. But in all seriousness, we're looking at 64 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 82 foot-pounds of torque at 3,600 RPM. That is an SAE corrected number, of course, which is the industry standard for flywheel ratings and rear wheel horsepower ratings. But other than that, guys, in today's standards, yeah, that seems way low. But in 1979, I mean, that was the norm. These cars went 50, 55 miles an hour on the highway, and it would easily do that. And not to mention, it gets pretty good gas mileage. I've always been curious to know what these cars made, so I'm glad we dynoed it and glad to take a look at the results. Because man, 64 horsepower, 82 foot-pounds of torque. I guess you just got in the car and went to work back then. I don't know. But for real, guys, if y'all want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.